Hi everybody, this is an ASC design team project and I do not have a video for this. It's the first time I ever used my cinch machine, so there's some mistakes that I made and some learning curve. I did use the flower from the ephemera pack, which I was happy to use because I typically don't. And this is the size of a toilet paper roll album. I did not use actual toilet paper rolls, I cut paper, but the inside has this large ephemera piece. And then I had some leftover little bits. This is one of the stickers, and this side has a pocket. The pages are all the same. Each page has a tag. And this side has a pocket. And then this side I left blank on each one of them. So I don't have to worry about, you know, the little hole cut out here. This is just one of the cut aparts. I just stuck it in there. This one has a little tag using the tab sticker, and then it has a little flap that opens. Again, tag in the end of each one of them. This one has one of the cut aparts from the 8x8 sheet. And then I went ahead and put one of the chipboard tags in it, and I thought he was cute. Just colored the back black with permanent marker. That was from the 8x8 cut apart. Another blank page, and then another one of these sticker little booklet things here. And then the last page, we kept it pretty simple. You guys can put whatever you want in it. So there's my little toilet paper roll album, and I hope to make one tutorial when I get a little better at it. Oh, and on the back I got Tweedledee and Tweedledum. Alright, thanks everybody, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.